How to mark all as read on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to mark all as read on Truecaller. First open Truecaller and now click this 3 points here in the top corner, and once you're here then all you need to do just click mark all as read, and that's it. As you see, that's it. And you can just do it like that. You will find it like that, then just hold on it and you can make it as read, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.